Hello, today I am going to discuss about the large intestine part of the digestive system, and it is part 6. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe to get the notification of the daily uploaded new educational videos. Like and share my videos. The large intestine is also known as large bowel because it is larger than the length of the small intestine. It is a part of digestive system and gastrointestinal tract. We all know that. Large intestine is made up of cecum, colon, rectum and anal canal. So if the question comes that how many parts are there of the large intestine, the answer will be there are 4 parts. What are the names? Cecum, colon, rectum and anal canal. The colon is the largest portion of the small intestine. In human, the large intestine is 1.5 meter, that is 5 feet long. So you can imagine that it's the length of an average human being, which is about 1/5 of the whole length of the gastrointestinal tract. So this is the location of the large intestine in our body. You people can see that here in the abdomen, it is almost very close connected with the small intestine. This inside little part, this inside part is totally large in a small intestine, and this part which is prominent, that is the large intestine, and this small part here, that is appendix, this one appendix. Now, what are the different parts of the large intestine? Just now we have crossed through that the largest part is the colon. So the colon here we can see that it is divided into 4 parts. Ascending colon, that is the first part. Second part is transverse colon. Third part descending colon, and the fourth part sigmoid colon. So there are 4 different parts of colon. Ascending colon going upward, transverse colon is transversely placed, descending colon going downward, sigmoid colon is closely associated with the rectum, and as I have said, this is appendix. So these are the functions of the large intestine. The large intestine absorbs water and remaining nutrients from the food. That means whatever the water and the nutrients left after the digestion in the small intestine, that is totally absorbed by the large intestine. Number 2, the colon part absorbs the vitamins created by the colonic bacteria like thiamine, riboflavin, vitamin K, etc. So these are the name of the vitamins which are absorbed by the colon. The colon compacts the feces, that means the stool, and stores it into the rectum before defecation. The large intestine secretes the potassium ion and the chloride ion. So it's very important that which ions are secreted by the large intestine. So these 4 are the most important functions of the large intestine. These are the 6 questions that you have to answer. All the answers you will get in the video. So see the video very carefully, 1 time, 2 times, 3 times to answer these questions. Make the PDF form of these answers and send it to me for the correction if you want. Thank you very much for your patient listening. If you have any questions or queries, please feel free to write in the comment section. And this sequel will continue to part 7, where we are going to discuss about some other parts of the digestive system. So long, friends. Bye bye.